Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change your address on PayPal. And this is super easy, but yeah, I'm going to show you guys how you can do it. So yeah, first of all, make sure you're logged into your account, of course, and you will end up on this page. This is like your basic overview of your PayPal. But we want to click on the settings icon right here, right beside the logout and the bell icon. So just like this. And right here you can see all your details, your email address, your phone numbers, your time zone, language and stuff like that. And also the addresses right here. You can either click on the plus icon to add an address, or you can click on manage all addresses. So we're going to click on that. And this will open up the manage addresses. And this address right here, it says the primary address. And we can basically just click on update. And this will open up the settings, and we can just change the address however we like, and just click on change address, and that is basically it. So that is how you can change your address on PayPal. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.